Morning everybody, it's Sam here at Lean Greens, and today on Upgrade Your Nutrition we're going to talk about upgrading your porridge. So got a couple of ideas for you of different ways you can have porridge which is not for the dog. So if you come over here, this is actually a rye porridge which a friend of mine, Kaiser, who's from Finland, introduced me to, and I'll show you the bag in a second. But basically, I'm just going to make this before it goes all wrong. You mix the porridge just with water, cook it like a normal porridge, but then the slight twist, and this seems really weird, but bear with me on this, whisk an egg, raw egg, and then you mix it in with the porridge. And it's a great way of, so I love porridge at breakfast, I like a traditional porridge, but it does tend to leave me starving by mid-morning. But by doing this, you can see it turns out really creamy. You don't taste the egg at all. You see the little white flecks, but you get this really lovely creamy consistency. It is quite thick. And then I normally have this with a little bit of butter and honey on top. And it's really rather yummy. So, the bag over there, Tim can zoom in on, this is the only flakes I've managed to find, rye flakes, to make good porridge with in this country. I actually got them on Amazon. But if you have a local little Scandinavian store, you can probably find them. I think, are they Swedish or Danish? I'm not entirely sure. But that is about cooked now. And if we pop that into there, you can see it makes this really, I know it sounds really odd, but it tastes quite wonderful. So that is my porridge upgrade idea number one. And then the second one, a little bit out there, so yeah, honey, a little bit of butter on top, possibly even a little tiny bit of salt. Although if you've got salted butter, that's going to cover that. Second one is maybe a little bit more current, overnight oats. For the, again, created I think for the Insta generation, and they make quite nice photos. I just tend to eat it out of the jar I've made it in, but you could pour it into a bowl and sprinkle on some strawberries and take a nice photo. So basically in here went a scoop of normal, let me just grab the normal porridge oats. Scoop of normal porridge oats. I put half a scoop of our protein powder. That isn't necessary, but I quite like it. But you could do it without. I've also got some walnuts in there. And then I put 1 cup of oats to 2 cups of oat milk. You can make it with almond milk as well, or coconut milk. And they both all give it a slightly different taste. Almond milk, unfortunately, just because of the way almond milk is coloured, or not coloured, it tends to come out looking kind of grey. But that is really very delicious. And again, you could add some fruit on top of that, or some yogurt, or other things. Also would make a great idea as a snack, because you could make that up if you're going to take it to work. You could take it to work because you have it when you're at work, or even save it for your like mid-morning break or whatever. Super easy to do. Prepare it the night before, stick it in the fridge. You're good to go. So those are my 2 upgrade your porridge ideas. Remember, if you don't have the checklist of the challenges we've been looking at this month, you can just send me a message below and I'll send that on over to you. And if you have other ideas, if you'd like to share the way you have porridge, let us know. Comment below or post a picture.